Ladies and gents, this is the start to Hello ladies and gents, this is going to be the first video kicking off my skincare series. It's going to be a Korean inspired nighttime routine. I chose this because one, I have pretty clear skin, but I'm looking for a glow. And it's said to give you a glow. And two, when I started doing my research for skincare routines, this was the first that came up. So don't mind my hair. I'm fresh out the shower, so some of it is kind of wet, so it's looking kind of crazy, and I had it a bun. Another thing, don't mind the edges. They kind of woofing or whatever. So to start, I'm going to be using, yes, 2 tomatoes. Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Facial Wipes to remove my makeup. I'm just gonna go ahead and rip off these lashes. Been saving this just for you guys. Take it off my makeup. I do like to rub the work on my kind of like my closure too, just to get any like makeup. I'm not crazy in this freaking camera. This is one of the things I can't like re-record. Like, oh my god, how can you freaking take this off? Yeah. Ooh, I went from baddie to, well, half baddie to gremlin. To remove the rest of the eye makeup around my eyes, I'm going to be using this bifacial, it's called. It's a sample. It's from Lancome. It's a double action eye makeup remover. I never use this either, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it don't burn my fucking eye. I'm going to take a cotton round. I'm going to saturate it a little bit. Then I'm also gonna follow that by that had a pretty nice. Kind of smells like rose. Oh, silly me! It got rose on the bottom, so it probably definitely has rose in it. That's besides the point. My hair probably look crazy. Gotta pull like this. So we're gonna use Garnier's Micellar Water, the pink bottle. I'm just gonna use again a cotton round. Took too much. I'm gonna lightly saturate it in micellar water, and I'm gonna take that all over my face. All right. Now off camera, I'm going to go dang, that's mad stuff. That's so dirty. Off camera, I'm gonna go tie my hair back, apply one of these thingies, and then I'm also going to cleanse my face and explain to you when I come back. So I'm back from cleansing. Now the Koreans believe in double cleansing. One, using an oil-based cleanser to remove all like the dirt and impurities, and then a water-based cleanser to get whatever you missed. You're getting oil-based makeup off with the oil-based cleanser, in which I got a sample of. And I'll let you know which one it is, because I actually really loved it. This was the first time I'm trying it. This was a Pharmacy Green Clean Balm from Sephora. I never used the oil-based cleanser before, so I didn't know how to go about finding one. So I just asked someone to recommend it to me. And then from e.l.f., I'm using the Daily Face Cleanser. Thirdly, we're going to exfoliate. Exfoliating, I feel like, should be done 2 to 3 times a week. So you don't have to do this every single time if you were to follow this routine. Today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Gentle Peeling Exfoliant. I'm going to do it on camera and wash it off camera because you're supposed to put this on a dry face. I want you to see this work. So I kind of like tap it in between my fingers and I just apply it in circular motions. I'm not even looking in the mirror. I don't know if you can see. Let me put some on my forehead. But I like it. The dead skin kind of literally peels off. That's why I'm really like this. Just use a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this. want to get into moisture. I'm so annoying. So after you cleanse all that, I feel like I cleansed like 3 times. My skin has never felt so squeaky clean. You gotta bring the pH back to regular, sis. I'm gonna be using this Pore Toner Boom from Elf. It has green tea and witch hazel. So really quickly tells you after cleansing, apply to face and neck, avoiding the eye area. All right. I kind of play with all this stuff at work. Smells nice. Let me get this mirror I conveniently put next to me. Sometimes just, there's no, I don't know. When it comes to my skin, I do not be moving like bougie or anything like that. Like, you got to look nice or anything. So I'll just put a good amount of something on because I don't know how much it's supposed to put. Do I see a difference yet? Well, my skin definitely looks like it has some kind of moisture to it now. Well, it feels like it anyway if it don't look like it. Next, we're going to an essence. Hydrating water essence from Elf. It has purified water, coconut water, and algae in it. By the way, all Elf products are hypoallergenic. Yeah, I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it. This is how it looks. So I'm literally just gonna shake some in my hand. I've never like used this. Let me look in the mirror. Ooh. Yeah. So yeah. And then step 7 is a serum. I'm gonna be using the Beauty Shield's Vitamin C Pollution Prevention Serum. Elf, again, it's a part of our Beauty Shield line. So I'm gonna take it, has a dropper. So when applying this, I kind of just, and I'm not even looking in a mirror. Oh, I'm just gonna apply 4 drops. Okay, my skin is looking supple. Hey boo. After serum, the Korean believe in doing a sheet mask. Today, I got this lemon infused sheet mask from Elf. I'm working on brightening my complexion, so I got this. You never called me. And I'm recording a video before I was rudely interrupted. So, sheet mask. Sheet masks generally you don't rinse them off. It's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to remove the mask. Ooh. My skin is really glowing. That's probably just the product. So the last 2 steps after the sheet mask are eye cream and moisturizer. As a nighttime moisturizer, I'm going to be using this Massaging Overnight Recovery Cream. And the eye cream, it's a smoothing eye serum. It plumps the eye area, and it's all antioxidant infused. This is pretty cool because it has let me try. I think you just squeeze immediately. Let me tap the rest in. My dumb soap, it has an on and off kind of thing. So I'm just let that absorb. I'm gonna take this smoothing eye serum. It has metal balls too, just like this, which is why I thought it was so cool, because it kind of has like this massaging effect to it. So I'm gonna take you squeeze it. Now the product comes out. Eye cream. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with this Massaging Overnight Recovery Cream. It's the same thing. You kind of squeeze it and it comes through. Crazy unknown. My skin feels so good. that is the end of my nighttime Korean inspired skincare routine. So I think I'm gonna do a oily skin care regimen, if that makes sense, next. If you like this video, thumbs up, and don't forget to check the bio for the article. I'm gonna place it down below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you again.